In this video I'm going to show you how to log out of all of your Instagram accounts. Now this is beneficial if you have lots of multiple Instagram accounts and you just want to log out of them. You open up Instagram, then you go to your profile, hamburger menu on the top right, click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and click log out. If you want to save your login information, click save and then log out of your all accounts. Now when you click that, you will get like a screen that shows you do you want to log out of like specific ones or all the accounts. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment saying this video helped me out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching this video.